Okay, answers to the homework for Chapter 6. Discrete probability distribution. First, a pizza place offers three sizes of cola, small, medium, and large, to go with pizza. The colas are sold for 80 cents, 90 cents, and $1.2, respectively. 30% of the orders are for small, 50% are for medium, and 20% are for the large sizes. Organize the size of the colas and the probability of a sale into a probability distribution. First, is it a discrete probability distribution? Indicate why and why not. Yes, it is discrete because the values of 80 cents, 90 cents, and $1.2 are clearly separated from each other. Also, the sum of the probability is 1, and the outcomes are mutually exclusive. It's all fit the characteristics of the discrete probability distribution. Second, compute the mean amount charged for a cola. So we're going to use the formula for the mean of a probability distribution. Mu equal to sigma x times probability of x. So we list all the x. Here x is random variable. The 80 cents, 90 cents, and 1.2. The probability of for each value is 30%, 50%, and 20%. So first step, multiply each value with its probabilities. So x times probability, so 80 cents times 0.3, we get 0.24. 0.9 times 0.5, we get 0.45. And 1.2 times 0.2, we get 0.24. So when we get all these x times probability x, we add them up. 0.24 plus 0.45 plus 24. So we get the 0.93. So the mean is 93 cents. C. How do we find out the variance? We will find out the variance. The first step, we need deduct from each value. Deduct the mean number from each value. So x minus 90 cents is negative 0.13. So 90 cents minus 0.93 is negative 0.03 cents. So 1.2 minus 0.93 is 0.27. That's the first step. And then second step, we square it. We square each value, and after we get the result, we times its corresponding probability. So x minus mu square times probability is 0.00507 for the first value. We get the 0.00045 for the second value. We get the 0.014558 for the third value. So in the end, we sum these three numbers up. We get the 0.0201. So the variance is 0.0201, and the standard deviation is 14 cents. Question 2. Compute the mean and the variance of the following discrete probability distribution. Again, for this question, I try to write all the steps up to make you understand. So the mu equal to sigma x times px. So that is 2 times 0.5 plus 8 times 0.3 plus 10 times 0.2. So in the end, we get 5.4. That is the mean number for this distribution. Variance sigma square equal to 2, the first value, minus mean number 5.4. square it, then times 0.5, plus 8 minus 5.4 square times 0.3, plus 10, the third value, minus mean number, 10 minus 5.4 square times 0.2, the probability of the 10. Then we get 12.04. So again, if you have any questions about the homework, please send me email, or we can make appointment and meet on the Big Blue Button online conference on Thursday night.